In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Zoho Formlink to CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account. Once you are in, focus on the main navigation area. You want to locate the Setup section, because that is where Zoho lets you connect CRM features to other tools, including web forms. Taking a moment here is worth it, because the rest of the process depends on entering the correct menu. Inside Zoho CRM, go to Setup. From there, you should see a search option. Use the search field and type what you are looking for so that Zoho can guide you directly to the right page. Your goal in this part is to find the web forms area. When the search results appear, look for web forms and open it. This helps you skip extra pages and land exactly where you need to be. Now that you are on the web forms page, you are ready to create a new connected workflow. On the web forms screen, look for the option to create something new. You should see a button or link that says Create New Connected Workflow. Click it. When you do this, Zoho will prepare a setup flow that ties a web form to CRM behavior, so your data can be captured and organized automatically. After you click Create New Connected Workflow, the next step is to name it. This is important because a clear name helps you identify the purpose of the workflow later. In the name field, enter the name you want to use for this connection. Keep it simple and descriptive, like what it connects to and why it exists, so you can manage multiple workflows without confusion. Next, you will choose the module that the workflow should connect to. In the workflow setup, select the contact module. This means that when someone submits the form, the information will be treated as a contact record in your CRM. Selecting the correct module matters because it determines where the data will land, and it also affects how Zoho structures the fields behind the scenes. Once you select the contact module, Zoho will typically guide you through the rest of the connection setup. Even if your screen shows additional fields or options, the key point at this moment is that you have established the link to the contact module. Take a brief moment to confirm that the selection is correct, because this is the foundation for mapping your form data to the right CRM records. After setting the module, continue with the workflow creation steps shown on screen. You will generally be working in the same connected workflow configuration area, where Zoho helps you finalize how the web form sends data into CRM. Keep your attention on the form connection settings as you proceed, because this is where the connection becomes functional. As you move through the remaining configuration screens, follow the prompts and ensure you confirm any changes. If Zoho asks you to save, review, or proceed, do so in order. Each screen is part of the same process, so it is best to complete it in sequence rather than jumping around. When you have finished setting everything up within this connected workflow, your Zoho Formlink to CRM connection will be ready. At this point, you can use the Formlink created or configured during the workflow setup to direct submissions into Zoho CRM for the contact module. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.